So what is website maintenance, or how is the maintenance going to be happened? So if you work with a software development agency or software developer, they pretty much give you the idea about a maintenance is going to be needed. So maintenance is kind of two or three types in general. Number one is there could be bugs in the software that can come up in the future. So under the maintenance agreement, these bugs are going to be solved. So let's say the software engineer developed a system that might have one or two or three bugs, probably guessing. It's not in front of anyone yet, but when a lot of users start to using it, then there might be some issues and bugs. So under the maintenance phase, these bugs are being solved. Then there is other things that further improvement. For example, you can develop a feature, a module in a lot of ways. So there could be a chance that with the rush of time, the software developer written it in a way it's not the most optimized way. So under the maintenance agreement, the software engineer actually goes back and tries to optimize this more. For example, a page loads in 5 seconds. So under the maintenance, the developer decided to optimize this time and bring it to 1 second or 2 seconds. So that could be another thing under the maintenance. Then there is another thing. When a software is typically built, a software engineer or agency uses a lot of packages or frameworks. Packages is something like a few lines of code or few pages of code that is written by someone else but used in your software because it's free, or it's helping the developer to fast forward the work. So there is a high chance that these packages are going to be upgraded time to time. Even the core language or core framework, for example, the Flutter framework, for example, the Laravel framework, the Django framework, and the languages, these things actually updates every day. It's getting better day by day actually. So when you fast forward 6 months or 1 year, you're going to get those upgrades and you need to implement this in your code base. So under the maintenance, these things are being maintained typically. And there is another thing that a hacker could attack your system. So the maintenance, in the maintenance phase, the agency or the software developer is responsible for fixing this. And there could be broken pages. There could be pages that is not loading, that is taking a lot of time. So these kind of things are being fixed under the maintenance agreement. So I hope this video helps you to understand how a maintenance works. And my name is Moshar Hossain. We run a software company named QTech Solution Limited. That is a custom software development company, and I'm sharing this knowledge kind of videos with you with the hashtag Motion of Shares. So if you click on the hashtag, you will get other videos like this. Thank you so much for watching.